Hello, I'm Claire Braund, a founder of Women on Boards. What does your professional development look like in 2026? Have you carved out time in what is no doubt shaping as another really busy year to work on your career, leadership, and board goals? Why not join me and WOB Chair Sheena Wilson this Monday, 16th of February at 12 noon, New South Wales time, to hear more about our practical and purposeful training programs designed and tailored to support women at all ages and stages to develop a strategic approach to planning and achieving their career, leadership, and board goals. These programs, Personal Career Management, Mastering the Interview Code, NED Circle and WOBSX, are delivered in partnership with experienced chairs, non-executive directors, senior leadership coaches, and people who bring deep expertise across learning and development, mentoring, and diversity and inclusion. They have a proven track record of success, and we look forward to sharing information about them with you this Monday, 16th of February at noon. See you there.